Okay. A general question came in my mind. Um, do you think that you can judge a picture where you see only the result in a different way than if you would have the Blender scene where you see all the settings and where the light sources are?
I'm not entirely sure of the question. Can you reformulate that? As like, do you mean if I then judge it differently, then
Yeah, that's the question.
I judge the end result by what it is. Personally, if I see the Blender file, I will then judge the technical execution of that as well. But if the image is the image, right? The render is the render. How you got there is really not of much consequence.